Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back. And even today we made banks. Um, okay, facts. Yesterday we didn't make banks at whole. We did fucking nothing. Yesterday we took a fair loss. Today we took a small win, and I'm about to show you why I took a small win. It should be more fucking like 350, I think, more or less, but so let's go and see. This one was during London. I don't know why I said New York AM. Let me change it because that's not facts. This was London. Um, so this one was during London. More or less the end of London session, and we add take out our external drawn liquidity, which was this external buy side liquidity here, right? We took out this external buy side liquidity, and what we ended up doing. So let's focus on the high time frame first. So high time frame speaking, we add the new day opening gap above, right? After taking out this buy side liquidity, we add the new day opening gap here. Uh, then the only thing that was stopping us from going higher was this 4 hour here. This was a 4 hour bearish gap. On this candle on 10 a.m. my time, we add. Oh shit, my mouse is so. Dang, wait, holla. Okay, now we good. Now we go. Okay. So at 10 a.m. more or less, yeah, 10 a.m. was 10:30. Let me see. Yeah, at 10 a.m. more or less, we ended up inverting this 4 hour gap, closing this 4 hour candle above. No, that wasn't a 4 hour, it wasn't a 1 hour. Sorry, guys. A little bit Friday even today. With this 10 a.m. candle, we closed above our 1 hour IF bearish fair value. So at this point, we hit the external liquidity, buy side liquidity. This one was the buy side liquidity. Let me change it so we can identify it better. Okay, this was our buy side liquidity. What we end up doing is confirming the CISD, so the change in state of delivery, and opening up a 5 minute gap, which in my case has been used as oh shit has been used as condition. Why condition? Because if the 5 minute candle close above this 5 minute condition, so draw liquidity is higher. If this candle fuck shit okay, if this candle do something like this, right, with the weakened side but the body closed below, okay, so under the gap, the draw liquidity is lower, right? So what we ended up doing is I marked out only the portion of the gap which was from the 50%, so from the EQ equilibrium of this leg, from the EQ to the last, well, the last point, right? What we ended up doing is retrace inside this portion of the gap here. We push one time inside. We took internal high here. This could be even lower. Okay, here, and I took, yeah. So then we closed below this uh, up close candle, confirming another change in safe delivery after hitting the 5 minute condition. So in my opinion, was a really great setup. So what I did was, so as you can see here, this candle here, this 1116 candle didn't close below this CSD, right? But what we did was closing just below, above, sorry, opening below the CSD, pushing higher where to this order block here. Let's mark out it like this. And after I saw this huge rejection on this huge wick, saying like, yo bro, I'm not going hot there, Fuck no, I'm not going up there. What I did was entering more or less here. So break even at the internal high or internal low in this case, and I closed off. I think what's that, four? Yeah, I think I closed four contracts here, even because it was really close to 1 hour. So it's like, okay, I'm gonna break even and closing some of my position, and the rest was going to this 15-minute unfilled gap. But what it did was, as soon as we hit the break-even point, I set my break-even. I think was here, so perfectly, perfectly being tapped. Okay, being tapped by this fucking candle by the tick, brother, by the tick. Okay, we hit my break-even by the tick, and then what we did was floating down. Okay, so what I can take out from this trade going on the future, for sure, try to not move my stop loss to break even when I'm like 100% confident on my drawn liquidity, but because this is what could help, and it could happen, sorry, not could help, but could happen. Okay, so today we made no money at all, like $46, nothing compared to 50k. um but I'm happy because execution was right, idea was right. We even went even lower here, sweeping out this liquidity and running higher to the new week opening gap. New York, nothing. New York, we just dumped. This is was fucking try that. I didn't take this one. Hell nah. And what else? Nothing. I was trying to short this bitch because as soon as we hit this shit here, I went to see the 5 minute here. You see 5 minute change state after what? Let me after taking out internal high here. Um, give me the EQ tool here. I set the EQ right there. So going to 1 minute, what we can see, we see the price reject off what? Reject off the equilibrium, right? So as soon as we inverted this leg here with a bitch, I'm wrong here, okay, with a perfect inversion of yo, okay, with a perfect inversion, we could target huh, hella shit like yo. I don't wanna. Oh fuck, bro. Fuck, bro. Consistency rule here is dead, bro. 56, bro. I'm not. I'm joking, bro. I don't think I would ever take this trade. Happy with my piece of the cake of today, and yeah, tomorrow is the last day of the week. Let me see if you got some news. Okay, we have PPI, so nothing crazy. I will look forward to trade. Of course, I'm gonna trade morning, so London, my morning. I'm gonna trade London and see what we can do. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. Really happy. My stats are good as hell, in my opinion, because 61%, 62% re-rate, 1.3 R. So yeah, I'm happy, and yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you tomorrow with another fucking banger, dog.